Hey there, I'm Tony, this is TC's Outdoors, and thanks for clicking on the video, I appreciate it. So today we're going to be talking about efficiency and workflow. If you see behind me, the all-wood birch vertical, I moved it up here. I'm just chasing the wood around my front yard, basically. The first time I got it over here, in the first cutting session I did, I realized that this is probably the best firewood setup I've ever had. Definitely the ultimate firewood setup for me, anyhow. Being able to cut directly out of the log pile, kind of like stage like a log deck, and drag the rounds right over to the splitter, split them, and then stack it off into the IBC totes right here, and then haul them out back with the tractor. I don't think I'll find a better workflow. We're making bundle firewood, that's all mixed hardwood, so we've got some maple, some ash, and some cottonwood in here, and anything that's not making the grade goes in this tote over here, and that'll be burned in my outdoor wood boiler next year. This has got me thinking about what I'm gonna do going forward, because the splitter's not gonna stay in my front yard forever. We're gonna move it out back, probably put a roof over it, and I think I'm going to build a log deck or a cutting table. I found a couple of plans that I've been picking parts that I like off of those, and at some point we're going to get into building that together. But today we're going to do some cutting and some splitting because I haven't been able to get out here in like 3 weeks. We got a ton of snow, and that's gone now. Today we're going to cut with the Echo 620P. There it is in all its glory, ported by Charles Briscoe. It's pretty chilly out here today. The ground is firm, which is great, and we're gonna make some firewood, so let's get going. Just like that, we've got 2 logs bucked up. That's probably the other half of that basket. And now we're gonna split it. It's like just the right amount of everything. You cut a little, you split a little, you stack a little, you start over. If you're into firewood or you're enjoying my channel so far, please do me a solid and hit that like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it a ton. full tote. Almost full tote. I've got one more round wood to put it over the top, but I ended up with a lot of boiler wood out of that deal, so more than I thought I was going to. But either way, this workflow, can't beat it. Cutting standing straight up, take the rounds from the pile directly to the splitter, split them, stack them in the totes. Once both these totes are full, I'll go grab the tractor. Hopefully the ground's still frozen by then, and I can get these out of here and get a couple more in here so that I can continue on, because I really want to get this pile cleaned up. But this is going to be the new workflow. Look forward to a cutting table build session coming up soon, because that is a humongous win in my book. From my family to yours, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy your families, and I'll see you in the new year. Take care. Bye. Oh, by the way, so if you guys enjoy this, please do me a favor and hit that like button. Helps me out a ton, and we're trying to grow around here. It's on my way to 1 million subscribers. You can do your part. Thank you.